Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Notion template for product inventory tracking in 2025. Start by grabbing a ready-made inventory management template from Notion Gallery or community. Most templates already come with fields like product name, SQI, quantity in stock, supplier, reorder level, and cost. This saves you a ton of time and keeps everything organized from the start. Once it's in your workspace, customize it for your business. You can add properties like location, product category, or sales channel if you are selling across multiple platforms. A formula field can even calculate stock value or highlight when quantities fall below a reorder threshold. For views, use a table detail product info, a gallery view if you want image of your products front and center, and a board view to track products by category or status. Calendar view are also handy for restock dates and supplier. If you want a real-time tracking, integrate your inventory template with tools like Zapier or Shopify integrations so product updates sync automatically into Notion. And finally, link inventory tracker to a business dashboard in Notion so you can monitor product performance, top seller and low stock alerts all in one place. And that's it, how you can manage your product inventory smoothly in Notion using templates. Thanks everyone for watching.